All right, we're really getting excited. We're moving on past the halfway point and getting close to the appraisal contingency. At this point, we're waiting on a report back from a licensed independent appraiser. Why is this important? The lender is going to want to use this report to determine whether or not it's worth giving you this loan for the home. What they're going to be looking for, similar to what we did in a previous step of the comparable market analysis, is they're going to look at similar homes in the area and determine what the appraised value is. This is going to make sure that the lender is lending to a qualified asset that's worth what you're paying it for, and it protects them. Now, let's talk about the scary part that everyone wants to know more about, is the appraisal gap. Luckily, we've already looked at the comparable sales, and we're going to be pretty confident that we're going to be in the ballpark. Let's walk through the three scenarios here for appraisal. One, the appraised value comes in above what you offered. Good news for you, you got some equity in your pocket, which at this point you should be super excited about. Second, it just comes in right at what you offered. Again, we move forward, we tell the listing agent we're good to go, and you move forward knowing that you've got yourself a good deal. Third situation is the appraisal gap, meaning the appraisal is less than what you offered. If you have any verbiage in your offer that dictates we're going to pay $5,000 on top of the appraisal gap, that would come into effect now. Otherwise, with no extra language around appraisal, this is a negotiation point for you and the seller. This is going to be the point where, let's say we've got a $10,000 appraisal gap. They might stand their ground and ask that you cover $10,000 appraisal gap. You might stand your ground and ask that they come down to where their appraised value is, so you don't have to bring cash to the table. Most likely scenario is you're probably going to end up somewhere in between here, and you'll come to a decision because you really want this home. These are all important factors of the appraisal contingency. Sometimes funny things come up, but know that we're going to partner with you and get you past this point, and then we're in the final stretch.